Songs that change the world. Voices of truth unfurled. From the streets to the nations, healing hearts across creation. Roots of Solomon. From a guitar and a humble song came a voice to right the wrong. Through the struggle, through the pain, still the message remains. From the ghettos to the stage, words of fire on every page. Every chord and every beat, marching justice through the street. Songs that change the world. Hear the sound, lift the weak and shake the ground. Songs that change the world. Strong and true, Jaja spirit shining true. Songs that change the world. Don't divide, bring the people side by side. Songs that change the world. Stand and say love and justice lead the way. Babylon tried to silence voice, still the people make their choice. Through the rhythm and the bass, truth no time nor space erase. Every lyric plant a seed for the soul and for the need. Unity in every line, message living through all time. Songs that change the world. Loud and clear, let the whole wide world now hear. Songs that change the world. Bold and free, voice of love and unity. Songs that change the world. Lift it high, let it echo to the sky. Songs that change the world. We proclaim honor to Jah holy name. One voice, one song, carry the truth along. Hey. From the islands to the shore, hear the message evermore. Every nation, every